finger. I don't want to feel any pain, guys. So, okay, guys, it's so fast. See? So, yung kasabihan na pag una talaga, masikip, no? O ngayon pang-apat, ang bilis-bilis ko. Naging expert talaga ako, guys. Ganun talaga, guys, pala pag una, mahirap. Ngayon, pang-apat na to, so maluwag na siya. Ayan, guys. Subukan nyo. Madadalian kayo pagka pang-apat na, guys. Talagang maluwag na siya. Hello, what's up, guys? Good evening to all. Good evening, everyone. Now I'm back to my channel again, and for today's vlog, guys, I'm going to unbox the small table which I brought at IKEA, mini table, so that I have also table here in my room. So, guys, watch out for the next activity that I'm going to do, since I'm very excited for the unboxing of my table. And same time, I also brought storage stools. Okay, guys, so 3 colors of that. Now I want you to watch all this unboxing that I'm going to do tonight. Okay, so here in Dubai it's night time, so before I'm going to bed, guys, I'm going to do the unboxing. Okay, guys, this is the table. Yeah, okay, I'll show you this like this. So this is the name of the how. So the like this. Okay. So the name of the table is lock. Yeah. Okay, so it's just a mini table, and I'm going to do now the unboxing. Same time, guys, I'm going to assemble it, and hopefully I can manage to follow the instructions, because I'm very good in following instruction, guys. So help me, guys. Okay. Good luck to me, guys. Okay, now I start with, now I have to remove now. Okay, yeah. So this is the flat surface, or the surface of the table. Okay, so I'm going to put in my bed. So actually, guys, the my table is uniform to my bed, because this is my bed. Yeah, actually this is my bed. Where's my bed? Yeah, so black, that's why I also bought a black table. Yes, so it's uniform, guys. I'm going to I'll do it like a side table. These are the what to say, stand. Okay, 4 pieces. Okay, these are the stands. Guys, you know, it's I bought this for only 25 dirhams, so very cheap, because I can't afford also to buy expensive one, because I don't have enough money to buy. So these are the stands, 4 stands. So guys, watch me how do I assemble this, and hopefully I can manage. As I told you before, I hope that I can manage to assemble it. Okay. So this inside the box actually are the screws. Okay, so actually, guys, yeah, here are the screws. Okay, 4 screws, only 4 screws for the 4 legs. So guys, ganito pala yun, oh. Hindi pwede sa screwdriver. So manu-manuhin ko siya na ipasok dito, oh. So wala pa naman akong tolerance sa pag ano nito. Pag ganun, oh, masakit pala sa kamay. Yan, kuha akong basahan, guys, o tissue. I'm going to bring tissue, okay? So actually, guys, see, according to the instruction, yeah, I have, see, you can see the screw here. You can see the screw. Look at the screw. Look at the screw. Where I can see. Look at the screw. Okay, so in the middle, okay, on the middle, I have to put half, okay, half on the legs, okay, and then half through also the surface. So, guys, mahirap tong gawin, guys. My goodness. I'm sweating now. My goodness. Hirap, guys. Hirap magkapamilya. Oh my God. Hirap magkapamilya, guys. Ang hirap gagawa ng lamesa ng bata. Bastos to ah. Pinahirapan ako ah. Oh my God, it seems that's not going inside. So guys, I already did the first leg, okay? So I'm going to drill now to the surface, okay? So what's up, guys? Oh, wow. But it's not a joke. Really, it's not a joke, guys. It's hard to do this. Okay, yeah, so strong. Guys, now this is the second one, and look, guys, look at my sweat, okay? It makes me sweat. It's hard to make it, but anyway, it's fulfilling, guys, okay? I'm going to do now the second one. Yeah! Okay. Next surface. Yeah, okay. Easy. Yes, two and two more, okay? Two more legs. Yes. Okay. I'm going to do now the third one, okay? Just wait lang. So guys, this is the third one, okay? See now, guys, from the start, it's like I find it very difficult, but now, guys, that I already I'm done with the third one, and it's like it's so fulfilling, guys, because I proved to myself that I can do it. Okay, guys, so you better buy now, okay? Because you can do it, guys, because I did, and you can also do it. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to do now the okay, so here, guys, I'm going to put now the, so here first, second, and then I'm going to put now the third, okay? Yes. Yes. It's easy, guys, very easy. I know now how to drill a hole. Yes. So only one leg is left. Okay. Without the plier, I can't make it really because I don't have any tolerance of like this one. I don't have that tolerance much. I don't want to feel pain, even a small part on my finger. I don't want to feel any pain, guys. So, okay, guys, it's so fast. See? So, yung kasabihan na pag una talaga, masikip, no? O ngayon pang-apat, ang bilis-bilis ko. Naging expert talaga ako, guys. Ganun talaga, guys, pala pag una, mahirap. Ngayon, pang-apat na to, so maluwag na siya. Ayan, guys. Subukan nyo. Madadalian kayo pagka pang-apat na, guys. Talagang maluwag na siya. Okay, guys, I'm going to put now the fourth and final leg. Okay, so this is it. Yan. Yes. And I'm very expert now, guys, in drilling. See? Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow, I have a table now. So look at it, guys. Yes. Brand new table. Yes, I have a brand new table now. Yes. Okay. So that's all for the table, and I'm going to unbox also and assemble, or just to unbox because that is foldable seats. Okay. And guys, maybe you know what is primary colors. So I bought that 3 colors actually, and because I prefer primary colors because it's very unique colors. Okay, guys. So what's for the chair that I'm going to unbox? I'm going to open now these storage tools that I bought also. So it's 3 colors. It's a primary color, and you know why 3 color I bought, and why primary color is because primary colors are original colors. Yes. Okay, guys, for a while na. So guys, I'm going now to unbox also the storage tool that I bought. Okay, this one, red color. Yes. It doesn't mean that red is my favorite, no, but I want primary color, guys. Okay, so I'm going to open now, just to tear the cover. Okay, no need to put a knife. Okay, because I might cut the surface, and this, guys, is so expensive, very expensive, guys. Ito siya, ayan siya. Now I'm going to, actually, guys, I bought this from Pan Emirates at a discounted price. So look at this, guys. So this is the stand. Okay, so with stand with bulsa, packet in English. Okay, so we're going to do this way. Yes. Oh, ayan na, triangle ba siya? No, it's a square. Yes, it's a square, guys. Black inside and red outside. Yes, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, gonna be like that, and then this is the seat. Okay, so it will be like this. So actually this one is to protect the base of the chair. So I'm going to do like this. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to put inside like that. Okay, like that. Put like that. Oh, to refrain from folding. Okay, and then I'm going to put like this, like that. Okay, this is now the chair, the table, and the chair, red one. Yeah. So see what's inside. Very good, guys. Yeah, very artistic. So this is inside, and this is the seats. Okay, very good, guys. Very comfy, actually. Very comfy. And then look at that. See the table? Okay, very nice. Yeah, it's uniform to my bed. Yes. So, and another color, guys, is I have this 2 color, but I don't want to open it all because see, I don't want to make it all because this is the yellow. Okay, see, Exton foldable ottoman. Yeah, and the other one is blue. Yeah. Yes, see, guys, discounted from 65 down to 39. See, imagine that, guys. So I have three. Now I have three seats. Three comfy seats. So I have three comfy seats. Yes. So that's all for now, guys. So hope you enjoy watching the what to say, very interesting video that I did. Okay, the unboxing of my unboxing of my table and my three foldable seats. Okay.